What's good, YouTube? We back with another special video. This key took a lot of modification to do, but it is done. This is the Chevy Corvette 2020 inside of the V6 red. We're gonna get into the test on this. Let me rub it off. I just love the way it looks on the back. LED fluorescent red, I love that. All right, let's get into the test on this. Okay, I got it held right. Let's go ahead and get into the test. Let's do lock. Perfect. Let's do unlock. Perfect. Let's swipe over. Do the trunk. Perfect. And let's do the remote start. That's the button you would hit twice. Boom. You hear that vibration? That's because this V6 Smart Max vibrates. The other V6 that I sell, this one is the CF 568, and this doesn't vibrate, but it's still a great key. This, we can see a comparison. This one is slightly bigger, so it can fit the Corvette key. This one is too small to fit the Corvette key, even though it looks almost just like the original Corvette key. If you look at that, that's nice. So what we did is we put it inside of the Smart Max. Had to make some modification to the board, and now it's working. Now let me turn it back on. Oh, I know we can test these side buttons here. All right, see if I can hold it so you can see it. We're gonna do lock. This is unlock actually. I'm looking under it. We're gonna do lock. Cool. If I hold it up, it'll do the 432 like it's supposed to. All right, cool. And we're gonna do the trunk. Cool. 431 through 433. That's perfect. That's just my tester reading a little bit inaccurate, but boom, we see 432. Boom, 433, 432. Same thing. All right. That's an accurate key fob, you guys. This is the Chevy 2020 Corvette. If you would like one of these done for your car, give me a call, 678-400-9150, and also log on to my website, lcdsmartkey.com. Thank you.
Tesla. Tesla Roadster.